Hello.
Uptown Swing level 1, 6 count.
Val Peter.
We did a little remembering the footwork and also doing the footwork a little better. So if we're here, rock, step, triple step, triple step. That's your practice, right? That's what you gotta be working on. But it's tempting to do it totally straight. Rock, step, triple, triple, with no movement side to side. You wanna have yourself a little bit on one side or the other on those triple steps. A chunk over here, a chunk over here. And you don't wanna have to move far to get it. So check it out. When we do it this way, we go rock, step, a little here, and a little bouncy too. It can really help you. If you're in the middle, things get a little uptight, it doesn't feel as good. This makes the steps easier to remember. Do it the good way. Yeah, like that. So we worked on that. So get some practice doing the steps the good way.
Then we talked about how you hold each other. So we compared it to a hug, and then it's a half a hug. So you still have very nice connection here.
And followers are just chilling.
Yeah, pointing your elbow down.
Less huggy for the followers. We worked on this little thing. It's kind of open and close and open, getting that feeling. Remember, you got to really talk to them, leaders and followers. You got to respond with your body. Then we use that to do Frankie's sixes, and it looks like this. Rock, step, triple step, switch the hand. Rock, step, triple step, sneak step. Rock, step, goodbye. Hello again. Rock, step, catch the arm, around we go. Hey, and you keep on dancing. And we'll see you next week. Oh, yeah.